BluntCut MetalWorks, February 14, 2022. This is Niolox 63rc rock wheel, sharpened with an edge pro at 15 degrees per side. And the thickness, this is a very thick blade here, and basically you're going to test the apex. So therefore thickness behind the edge, not matter that much, but the thickness behind the edge is about 15 thou. And the edge is sharp. And we'll do a quick bamboo. Chiến tranh lịch năm vậy thế. Rope on bone. Elk angler tip. That was actually the main objective, is passing that test. Everything else is bonus. Pass. Beef rib bone. There are a lot of deformation. This end of the bone seems to be harder than this end. I can test it out here. Yeah, they all have deformation. So and we'll take a close-up pic. .40D nail. I think this is a clean area. We're now actually clean. It doesn't see any. Right now it's all messed up, but where the blue area is. Okay. Yeah, it's past where there's the bone area they won't cut. Okay, there you go. Now they go to the blue. Yeah, okay, hang on. Got the blue area. I will take a picture of both the bone and the nail. Here's a close up. Edge thickness behind the edge actually a little thicker, at 20 thousandths of an inch here, and you can see the before. I mean, this almost before anyway, and then when with a nail. There are a lot of deformation. In other words, the edge got crushed. And so all these things, when you get crushed far enough, then I think part of the very apex will fall out, but you can see the bend and the crust in. So, I mean, it's not a clean chip. Just when the bend far enough, then part of it came out, but that you still have some of it bent still. And down here when you chop bone here, there are a lot of deformation and they go over, and when it bend far enough and then they end up also, that's why you see the smooth, round, kind of fuzzy. These are when it bend far enough, then it will, some of it will come off. If you take a picture of the other side, you will see part of it also. Overall, I mean, for Niolox, I think if it was, say, 64 and a half, then it will be get a little bit more edge strength and bending strength, so that it will be able to resist these kind of deformation or damages. But anyway, I mean, again, for this is really more for the heavy use knife. 15 degrees precise is not really an EDC. I mean, you need to be about 18 or 20 degrees precise, and which should able to chop to rib bone and whittle nail easily, because even at 15 they're able to whittle elk antler tip just fine. Thanks for watching.